beautiful people, so I'm back with another video. So in this video I want to go over the shopping cart trick again, you guys. So a lot of people getting approved for more credit cards, you guys, through the shopping cart trick. So I'm so excited about everybody finding my channel and getting the shopping cart trick credit cards. But the shopping cart trick is basically where you're able to get credit cards without them pulling your credit and without them actually seeing what your credit score is. So if your credit score is bad, you're going to be able to get approved for these credit cards because you're kind of tricking them into give you these credit cards. So remember, I have the shopping cart trick down below because somebody did ask, like, hey, how do I get more? I got this one, like, where are the other ones at? So I have a guide with all of the shopping cart trick credit cards there. Now keep this in mind too. I always tell everybody too, with this guide, you're going to have so many different credit cards. Make sure that you're not putting yourself into any type of debt, because some people, they're getting 10 credit cards, 12, 15 credit cards. I don't want you to get yourself into debt because you're able to get all these, like, I don't want to say free, but credit cards without them actually checking your credit. So if you want to get the guide, go ahead and look down in the description, and then let's go through the steps that you have to take. And then I have like a lot of questions here, so I want to go ahead and answer these questions with you guys. So if you want a credit card through the shopping cart trick, you have to opt in to Factor Trust. So that's step number one, is to opt into Factor Trust. And then I have the website down below, so just go ahead and click on that website. You'll put in your name, your address, your phone number, you know, your email address, your date of birth, and your social. TransUnion owns that company, so what they're going to do is they're going to actually give you information to all the credit card companies that's able to pre-approve you for a credit card, right? So go ahead and opt into Factor Trust. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to clear your cookies. So I want you to clear your cookies. I want you to allow pop-ups. And if you want a detailed video, make sure you're actually getting the guide, because on the guide it has a full detailed video where you're able to see everything. So you want to clear your cookies. You want to make sure that you're allowing pop-ups. And you want to be in incognito mode. So I want you to open a new incognito window. I want you to go to the website where you want to get a credit card. So say, let's just say Victoria's Secrets, right? It's the easy one almost anybody can get. So go to www.victoriasecrets.com. You'll go there. You'll put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. When you put these items in your cart, you're going to go and check out as a guest. Make sure it's $200 to $250 worth of items. You're going to go check out as a guest. As you check out as a guest, that's when you're going to get that pop-up saying, hey, you're pre-approved for a credit card. And all you have to do is say, you know, like, yes, I want it. You know, pick the credit card that you want, and then, you know, finish the rest of, I think they're probably going to want like the last 4 digits of your social and your date of birth. And then that's just to verify that you are you. You know, anybody can put your shipping information in. And then you just click submit, and then your credit card is on the way. And then they'll let you know how much you're approved for. Now that I went through that full spiel, I really just wanted to go over these questions. So the first question is, no luck on the shopping cart trick, but I am interested to know more about your credit repair. By the way, beautiful smile. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's from Michael. So if you don't have any luck with the shopping cart trick, keep trying. And through those things that I told you, make sure that you're in incognito mode when you're doing it. Make sure you clear your cookies. Make sure you allow pop-ups. That's very important. So make sure that you're allowing pop-ups. Make sure you opt into Factor Trust. And when you opt into Factor Trust, make sure that you're using that address, that same information, well, your address, the spelling of your name and everything, the same information that's on your Equifax credit report. I want you to put that into Factor Trust. And whatever you put into Factor Trust is what you're going to put on those, you know, the checkout screens. And make sure you don't have any fraud alerts on your credit reports. A lot of people have fraud alerts, but a lot of people think, I don't want to take my fraud alerts down. Somebody's going to try to get in my account. I want you just to lock your credit reports. If you lock your credit reports, nobody can get them. Just because you got fraud alerts don't mean anything. People can still get your credit reports. The only thing is they're just going to be cautious because you have fraud. With the shopping cart trick, if you got fraud alerts, they're more cautious than ever, and they don't want to give you the card at all. So, you know, make sure you don't have any fraud alerts. But he said he's more interested in my credit repair. If you're interested in my credit repair, you'll be able to see the link down below that said go ahead and sign up right away for credit repair. Go ahead and fill out the application, and we'll be able to look at your credit reports and tell you like what items we're able to remove from your credit reports. And then too, getting credit cards is like major, so we're going to be helping you get credit cards. So, and then thank you so much for letting me know my smile is beautiful. That is so nice. So let's see, let's go to the next question that I have. I thought it would be easier to flip through. Oh, there we go. Yes, it is. Okay, just got approved for 50K with Express. Thank you for the information. So that's from Curtis Matthews. Now, the thing is, too, you're very welcome for, you know, for me giving this information out to you. I'm happy that it's working for you. The thing is, though, with Express, they have a glitch in their system. So when they say that you're approved for $25,000, $50,000, or $75,000, that's really $500, $750, and then $1,000. Well, 250, 500, 75, 750, and then too, they say you get 100,000, that's $1,000. So you still got a $500 credit card with them, which is good. A lot of people, this is good if you can't get any credit card because your credit is really messed up. This gonna get you through the door, especially if you don't spend more than 5% on these credit cards. So congratulations to you, you got approved for a credit card. So by getting most of these credit cards, would it boost your score faster? Yes, it just really depends though. So if you don't have any credit on your credit reports, I always tell my clients to have 4 credit cards. So when you actually have 4 credit cards, you have more companies vouching for you. So, oh, you don't have your name. So they'd be like, oh yeah, Rickita is paying on time. You know, this is her balance. That stuff is going to help boost your credit score up. Because all credit is, can you take my money and pay me back like you said you were in a timely manner? And then 2, make sure you're not maxing out these credit cards. So when you actually get these credit cards, you got companies vouching for you. All that is, your credit report is a lot of companies saying whether you paid or not. If you got a lot of companies say you didn't pay, it's going to drop your score. But if you have a lot of companies say you paid, it's going to raise your credit score. Or not necessarily that you paid, but they extended credit to you and you didn't mess it up. Like, they didn't mess it up. So definitely I want you to have 4 credit cards. And she said by getting most of these credit cards, like I got a master credit card list of like over 100 credit cards. What's most? Most means a lot. Over 100, I think like 120 something. I don't know about most. I want you to have a minimum of 4 credit cards. So let's see. Did you have to create an account and fill out the credit application? So I did not have to create an account with any of these companies. I want you to check out as a guest. And when I say check out as a guest, I mean that you're going to click check out as a guest. Don't try to create an account with them, put your information in, because you may mess it up and I don't want you to mess it up. So make sure that you're checking out as a guest. So don't fill out the credit application. So I tried the Victoria's Secret and Camping World today. It didn't work. I just opted in a few days ago, so I'm trying to try again. I'm going to try again this weekend. Thanks for all the great videos. Are you welcome? So that's Sweetie Heart. So you're welcome, sweetie. So yeah, just try again and then try those different tricks I told you. Make sure that you're clearing your cookies, you're allowing pop-ups, you're in incognito mode. Make sure that that same address that you put into Factor Trust is the address that's on your Equifax credit report. And then don't forget to do Factor Trust. So that's a big thing. And remember, it's $200 to $250 worth of items. I don't want you to do anything other than that. I just know that, you know. I can only tell you what I know. So just do that and try again. And then, too, don't forget, I have the shopping cart trick with other credit cards. Some credit cards that may just not work for you. Maybe you have to try others. Somebody said, oh, it didn't work for them. That's not good. But try those tricks. A lot of people say it don't work for them, and then they're like, oh, I forgot about that. Because maybe you've seen a video where I wasn't too detailed. I try to be detailed now in every video because a lot of new people are coming in. So make sure you're trying the different tricks like I told you, where you're making sure that you're opting in to Factor Trust, you're in incognito mode, you're allowing pop-ups, and you're clearing your cookies. It worked for me. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Anthony. What's the site to try the Visa card? The site to try the Visa card is campingworld.com. And that's for the Visa credit card. But don't forget, it's other Visa credit cards on the Master credit card list. You can always try those also. Well, not just on the Master credit card list, but on the shopping cart trick. The e-guide for it. Oh, somebody said, thanks, I'm trying to fix my credit. So if you're trying to fix your credit, all you have to do is get your credit reports. Let's look at your credit reports. Let us see what you have to do, and we can start helping you fix your credit that way. So all the information is down in the description where it says sign up right away for credit repair. Go ahead and fill that out, and then let's figure out where you at and then get you where you want to be. This is the first one that worked as easy as your video. Where do I get more? So this is so small. Y'all need to get my glasses. Let me blow this up just a little bit. Oh, so this is that comment I was telling y'all about where they said where is more at. Go ahead and get my shopping cart trick guide down below. And it is so easy. As soon as y'all know like it's that easy, y'all gonna be addicted. So like watch out. I'm telling y'all now, I warned you. But yeah, go ahead and get that guy, and then, you know, get those credit cards. Oh, I think that's all of my questions, y'all. It's all my questions right now. But that's all right. Go ahead, look down in the description, get my guide. Let's go ahead and get everything going. If y'all have any questions, call or text me. My phone number is 833 Rickita. I keep telling y'all I need to remember my phone number. And then my nose too. I think I'm starting to. The weather is changing, you guys. So if I'm sniffling all in the camera, I'm so sorry. But I think it's 833-742-5482. I think that's what it is. But put it into your phone, 833 Rickita. And I'm definitely here for you. So call or text me. And don't forget I have my assistants, so they're going to always answer the phone. I'm always really busy, especially with the credit repair part. I got the school going on right now. I got my little ones. Just a lot going on. But if you're watching this video the day that I put it out, let me put you up on game. So I'm going live. I'm doing a pop-up live at 4 o'clock. I'm posting another video at 6 o'clock, and then I'm going live after class. So class is over at 8:50. Oh, class started at 6 o'clock today too, y'all. So after I go live, I'll have that video coming out at 6 o'clock. Yep. So I'll probably go live for those 2 hours, and that's a long time to go live too. But I think I'm just gonna go live during that time, and then I'm gonna go live again tonight, but I gotta get my work done, y'all. Gotta get my work done. Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna go. Wait, no, today is Tuesday. Oh, yes, I am. So I'm gonna go live for an hour right after my class from 9 to 10. I'm gonna go live tonight. So let me put that down. So 9 to 10, I'm going to go live. From 4 to 6, I'm going to go live. A video is coming out at 6 o'clock. This video came out at 11 o'clock. And then 9 to 10, I'm going to go live. And then tomorrow, I'm going to have my times too for you guys. But let me do something else to see if that's going to change. No, it didn't change. So, yep, happy Tuesday, everybody. But I'll see y'all later. And don't forget, get your guide down below and check me out live. I'm live every day somewhere doing something right. So I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.